Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Tracy D. Allen. Let's talk about a little known Chat GPT plugin that you can use to make presentations automatically, because we're all about AI automation. So if you come down here to your name, you go to settings, you click on settings, and then you go over here to beta features. You're going to make sure you throttle on browsing with Bing and plugins, because plugins is where we need to go. So once you've throttled them on, you will have this. You have to have the paid version, of course. So you'll have ChatGPT 4 showing up, and what you want to do is come down here and check the box. It's always going to be default unless you check something else. So you want to make sure you come down here, check the box to plugin. Once you check the box to plugin, this is going to show up. Not this specifically, but you'll see a drop down. And then you're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says plugin store. You're going to click on it, and it's going to pop up. Here. And then you're going to type in Visla, V-I-S-L-A. Of course, it's going to say no plugin found because I've already installed it. So when I click on install, you'll see that it's installed. You just need to click the install button. It'll automatically install on your computer. And you don't need to have the plugin setting up in your toolbar on the upper right-hand corner. It will just automatically install into ChatGPT and allow you to use it. Okay. So now that we have that done, we're going to come back over to our ChatGPT page. We're going to go down to plugins, make sure that it's turned on. Then we're going to come here. You can select 3 plugins at one time, but we only need one today, which is Visla. So that's the only plugin that we're going to click. So we're going to make sure that it's clicked on and Visla is ready to work. So all we have to do is ask Visla a question or give it a command for something that we want to create. So we're going to so I typed into Visla, into the ChatGPT prompt, create a presentation on how business owners can use AI to assist in helping them create their quarterly reports. And this is what Visla came up with, right? So it told me, sure, I can help you with that. Let's create a video presentation on how AI can help business owners create quarterly report. It told me what the video content was going to be about, the video idea. The tone would be informative, type educational, aspect ratio 16:9. Platform is going to be YouTube. This is its default. All of these things are going to be Visla's default because I'll show you something else. Video meta description. It gives me a meta description here. The title that I should use for optimization, the description that I should put in the meta. It gives me the tags that I should use. It gives me the general mood, is the genre and the type of instrumentals that it's going to use because it does automatically put music behind your video. You can always turn it off. And then it created the video. It gave me a link and it gave me a code that I can use to actually access the video. So I'm going to copy the code and then I'm going to click the link. And here is the script that Visla created that goes along with the video. It's a 60-second video. And let's look at the video.
As a business owner, you know how important it is to create accurate and timely quarterly reports. But what if there was a way to simplify the process and save time? Introducing AI, or artificial intelligence. AI can assist in creating your quarterly reports, making the process faster and more accurate. AI tools can analyze data, identify trends, and even generate reports automatically. This means you can spend less time on reporting and more time on growing your business. AI can also help you identify areas for improvement and make better business decisions. So why not leverage AI for your business reporting? Simplify your quarterly reports and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Start leveraging AI for your business reporting today. Storybox audio.
Okay, and I know you can hear in the background, you're constantly hearing Storybox audio, Storybox audio. So that's because it's using graphics that are not free, right? So it's making sure that you know that the graphics that it's using is not free. So we can always come up here where it says save to edit. So we're going to click on it. We're going to put in the passcode that I grabbed from Chat GPT. We're going to click enter, and it's going to take us over to the editing portion of this video. Okay, so we can edit any of these scenes. We can change anything that we don't like. So I had to play around with this a little while first so that I could get a good understanding of it. So let's say I wanted to change scene number 1. As a business owner, you know how important it is to create accurate and timely quarterly reports. And let's just say I want to be wordy and I want to put for your company. If I would spell correctly, your company. If I go ahead and I press play, so I made that, I click out the box, I go back to scene 1, and I'm going to play scene 1.
As a business owner, you know how important it is to create accurate and timely quarterly reports.
It's still saying the old thing. What I found out you need to do is to click on where it says regenerate voice so that it accepts the changes that you have made. So now if we press play,
as a business owner, you know how important it is to create accurate and timely quarterly reports for your company.
Okay. If I wanted to change,
as a business owner, you know how important.
If I wanted to change the graphic here, I can click here and ask it for updated recommendations, and it will automatically change the graphic for me. Sometimes not to something that you want. Oh, sorry, that's always popping up. I can rename the scene here by clicking on the 3 dots, or I can decide I want to change the graphic. If I want to change the graphic, I can go here. No, not here. I can go here, click on it, and change that graphic. And if it's constantly bringing up things that I don't like, then I can always go over here where it says media. And then I can either choose from stock photos that they have. If I have my own photos in a library here, which I don't, I can choose from here. If someone shared something with me that they wanted me to upload, I can have it here. Someone else who has Visla, or personal stock if I have my own personal stock put together. Otherwise, you can go to upload, click on upload, go to your file and upload whatever it is that you want to upload to Visla, and then you can change that way so that you have all of the type of pictures or videos that you want to have in there. Then you can go over here to audio, and you can generate an AI voiceover. You can remove the voiceover that's there if you don't want the voiceover at all, or you can upload here as well your own music or your own voiceover if you have it. You can also go here and you can change the style. So you can have it squared for Instagram, or you can have it 9:16, which will be for stories, reels, or TikTok or YouTube shorts. You can change the background over here, and you can change the text style here by choosing a different text style and how big you want the font to be, right? You can change the body, the background, burn subtitles into the video. You can click that so that they're like embedded in the video. You can move them around when you burn them into the video. So if they're in a place where, you know, they're not exactly where you want them, you'll be able to move them around that way. And so those are some of the things that you can do with Visla. Once you have done all of that, you're able to then come up here. You're able to come to the top and you're able to export the video from here, or you can regenerate the entire video at all. If you click on preview, it will give you a preview of the entire video. Yes, you can change the intro and you can change the outro, just as I told you with the other, just like I told you how to change the pictures, you can change the intro and outro that way too. Then you will click on, if you want to continue to export, to edit, because there's something that you don't like, you can click on edit again. To change the intro, you come up here and you do the same thing. You want to change it to a different media, you upload whatever media you want to. If you wanted to change the outro, you just come here to the bottom where it says outro and you do the same thing. So who's this good for? This is great for business owners who need to do pitch competitions or pitch presentations. It's good for nonprofit organizations that want to be able to tell their story, but you don't have the artistic ability to choose the right pictures or to put the story together well. But in that case, you would have to prompt or prime Chat GPT properly with Visla so that you get the outcome that you want. And if you don't, like I said, you can always change it. But yeah, that is how you would go ahead and do it. To export, so the exporting part is a little different. So you can upload to premium. If you don't upload to the premium products, it's like $19 a month. So you click on premium, I'll just show you. So it's like $19 a month, or you can have the free plan, which is the one that I'm on currently, because I do use a different program to do this, and I will show you that program another time. So I don't need to have Visla in that way. I would use the free one if I really wanted to use Visla. So you go generate from free stock. So the premium stocks that you're seeing is not what you're going to see in the free version. So they're going to regenerate your video and add stocks that are not premium. So that's why it's kind of best to have your own pictures, especially if you're telling your own story, so that the photos that are represented or the video clips that are represented is what you actually want.
To create accurate and timely quarterly reports for your company. But what if there was a way to simplify the process and save?
So as you can see, you're going to be able to see that a lot of the videos are going to be different, and you're not going to be hearing that little voice in the background saying storyboard or whatever it was, because these are all free stock photos.
Time. Introducing AI, or artificial intelligence. AI can assist in creating your quarterly reports, making the process faster and more accurate. AI tools can analyze data, identify trends, and even generate reports automatically. This means you can spend less time on reporting and more time on growing your business. AI can also help you identify areas for improvement and make better business decisions. So why not leverage AI for your business reporting? Simplify your quarterly reports and focus on what really matters, growing your business. Start leveraging AI for your business reporting today.
So as you can see, it's not really poor quality. It's just not the initial video clips or pictures that they used when they were showing you the sample. So you'll go ahead, create your account, and you'll be able to download, export your video, and use it immediately. And that's kind of it. But you can go ahead. I don't know if I showed you. Over here, you were able to change the orientation of your videos. So whether you wanted them to be 9:16 or 16:9 or the 1:1, I did show you that. But when you are creating the initial video, you can do that then, and I'll show you how. Hey, so I came back over to ChatGPT and I have the exact same prompt that I used before. All I did was add this video. Should have an aspect ratio of 9:16 for Instagram Reels. So let's click generate and see what happens. So it's going ahead and it's creating the content just like it did for the other video. But the only difference is that this video's aspect ratio is automatically going to be 9:16. So that's to show you that you can do it here and not have to do it when you get over there, because it gets really mucky, because the video just doesn't look right, right? But if you do it over here one time, the program will go ahead and create it for you one time. So you don't have to do it yourself. You can kind of speed through this. It's like watching paint dry. Okay, here we go. So it's creating the link to the video that it created for us. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab that code one time so we don't have to come back over here. If it gives us the code. So here's the code, 395222. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to go ahead and click on that link. It's going to take us back over to Visla. It's creating the video currently. Okay, and here is the video that was created by Chat GPT, by Visla. I am trying to widen my screen, but it is not widening. Okay, so again, as you can see, the aspect ratio automatically became that 9:16. And let's just kind of see what this video looks like.
As a business owner, you know how important it is to keep track of your company's financial performance. But creating quarterly reports can be time-consuming and complicated. That's where AI comes in. AI can help you simplify the process of creating quarterly reports. With AI, you can automate data collection and analysis. AI can also help you identify trends and patterns in your data. This can give you valuable insights into your business performance. Overall, AI can save you time and help you make better business decisions.
Okay, and there you go. So, like I said, you can automatically do it in Chat GPT. Just ask Visla to automatically create the aspect ratio that you need, or you can do it yourself after the video is created. By default, it's going to do 16:9 for YouTube, but again, you have the ability to do 1:1 for Instagram feed and 16:9 for YouTube Shorts, Reels, Stories, or TikTok. And that is the tutorial for today. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Make sure to give us a like, follow, and share this video. We appreciate you here at AI Architect. Make sure to go visit our website at AI Architect, which is spelled ARKITECH.com, and look at the courses that we have for AI, how to integrate AI into your business on a regular basis. Bye, everyone.